Hey guys, I'm Mao from China. 好久不见. Today I'm gonna hiking many mountain and I teach you 7 useful Chinese phrases. And at the end, I'll try to handle a real life situation using only Chinese. Should be fine. 我们走吧。我们走吧。我们走吧 means let's go. You hear this a lot when people start a trip or hike like this.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before now.
今天天气真不错。
Take it out of cue.
今天天气真不错。
Stand up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew
Perfect sentence when the sun's out and it feels good outside. It means
what I meant.
the weather is nice today. 今天天气真不错。Super useful.
Play our roles and ignore the problems.
下手吧是，你是这把。
我不想变成一个胖子。我不想变成一个胖子。I don't want to become fat. That's why I'm hiking today. Gotta stay sharp. 我一点都不累，我一点都不累。I'm not tired at all. Just kidding, bro. 好，风景真不错，风景真不错。The view is very nice. You can use this sentence anytime you're enjoying a beautiful view like this. 喝杯咖啡吧。Let's have a coffee. 咖啡真不错。This coffee is really good. 到了，老铁。到了，老铁。老铁 is English slang for bro. So this means we made it, bro. That's good. Okay guys, let's quickly review the same phrases. Repeat after me. 我们走吧。我们走吧。Let's go. 今天天气真不错。今天天气真不错。The weather is nice today. 我不想变成一个胖子。我不想变成一个胖子。I don't want to become fat. 我一点都不累。我一点都不累。I'm not tired at all. 喝杯咖啡吧。咖啡真不错。喝杯咖啡吧。 Let's have a coffee. 咖啡真不错。It's really good. 到了，老铁。到了，老铁。We made it, bro. Okay guys, time for our Chinese challenge. I'll talk to my Levis Kate. 哎，左右，好久不见。
你好，
你在干嘛？
我在吃粉，
这个好吃吗？
好吃。
啊，你教我一句中文吧。随便哪一句都可以。
这个粉真好吃。
这个粉真好吃。Okay, guys, comment your favorite Chinese phrase and tell me where you're from. See you next time. Bye bye.